Okay, so for today's challenge, we've got Holly from Arizona to thank for dealing with bathroom cabinets. Now, if you look at your bathroom cabinet and do this, then today's the day to tackle these bad boys. And here's what I want you to do. I want you to just tackle one cabinet in your bathroom. Pull everything out and put it on the countertop. It's simple, and I'm sure you already know what needs to be done. Get rid of anything that you don't need or use or want. Today's the day to let that banana, papaya, sea salt, avocado, mango scrub, that you bought but are never going to use, to let it go. Arrange light things together. Use plastic containers or something similar to arrange stuff under the countertop. And make sure the countertop is clear. Bathroom cabinets, let's hear how you go. Be strong, be direct, be organized. I want to hear how you do.